All right, Kubota 75-2. Honestly, I'm impressed it's still here. Had this one for, I think it's lapsing on our 30 days. After 30, we usually drop prices. Not a lot makes it to 30. This one, we haven't had a ton of advertising on. We're way behind because of the weather, but that's kind of our guideline. So it's a nice open station. I think it's got 4,500 hours, which, again, hours are something everybody can argue over, but 100 times the horsepower. It's a good ratio. It's a smooth machine. There you go. If you're looking for a 2-speed, I think it's 2-speed. Should have checked, but I'm pretty sure most of them are 2-speed. Pretty sure this one's 2-speed. All but new tracks. I think they have 20 or 30 hours on them. Open station, pretty nice unit. 22.9. If you guys are interested, go to hackberryequipment.com. If you guys want cab units, if you want lower hour machines, we have them as well. Again, hackberryequipment.com. Check out our inventory. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.